Here we have for sale our November 2022 on a 72 plate Ford Transit Custom Signature. This is a 320 model, which means it's got a 3.2 ton gross vehicle weight. It has got the 2 litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 130 PS, which is roughly 130 brake horsepower. That is accompanied in this van with the automatic gearbox, and this is the long wheelbase double cab, what's based on a limited van, finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll also talk you through what makes this van one of our signature styled Transit Customs. I'll talk you through the condition in detail, a bit about the previous service history, and what we've done to it during our preparation, getting it ready for sale here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited, you get a number of elements which come color coded. So that includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, bits of trim like this down the side of the vehicle here and above the rear number plate, all come color coded in the body color, which, as I say, in this case is metallic magnetic grey. Also on a limited of this age, you get parking sensors. So you get parking sensors front and rear, but also this is the very first actually on this age to have the rear view mirror camera. So it was right on this sort of 72 23s where they started getting introduced, and that is this it's a rear view mirror camera, and I'll show you how that works a little bit later on in the video. In terms of the condition here at the back, hopefully you can see from the reflections and the lovely gloss to the paintwork here just how clean and tidy this is. Our guys do just a fantastic job of fully detailing every vehicle that comes through here. Anyone that's watched a lot of our videos, you'll know how meticulous we are when it comes to preparing these vans, and this one is absolutely no different. It's been completely machine polished, decontaminated, and as I say, in lovely condition now following its full detail. A couple of tiny little marks here or there, so there's a couple of very, very minor little marks, just 2 there which I can see. Again, if you're familiar with these videos, you'll know that if there's anything that I can see, I will gladly point it out to you. And those are the only 2 things I can see here at the back. It's looking very, very clean and tidy. If we open up the rear doors, then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. So when you open up the rear barn doors, you've got this little yellow arm. Give that a pull. That clips into place there against the rear door. And then you can open the door right out to its full 180-degree position. You can do exactly the same with the other door as well, of course. This one has got a nice factory optional extra, and that is the LED load lights here in the back, which makes it a bit brighter in the back here in lower light conditions. But having a look in the back of here then, you can see that this one is fitted with brand new ply lining. So we do this on the vast majority of vans which come into stock with us. Of course, 2 purposes of that. One, to make it look nice, as you can see here, but of course it's there to protect the van as well. So if you've got cargo moving around in the back of here, whether it's work cargo, maybe it's a mountain bike, whatever it may be, then it's not going to cause a nasty outward dent in the side of your van with the ply lining in place. So that is of course the primary purpose of that. But having a look in the condition here at the back, you're looking at these exposed painted areas, looking at the floor, the bulkhead. It's all looking absolutely fantastic here, certainly for a van which is now coming on for 3 years old. This is looking absolutely lovely here in the back. Yeah, very, very smart indeed. We actually collected this van directly from the previous company owner, who have had the van most or all of its life. I'll have to double check that, but it's, yeah, the nature of the work that they did, this van has not had a hard life by any means whatsoever. They've really, really well looked after it. Really nice family run company, and as I say, they've really well looked after the van. But yeah, looking at the condition here of the back, the ply lining, they do a fantastic job when it comes to that, but really nice condition inside the back of there. As we continue to go around the outside, then we can see the first bit of styling, which is part of our signature styling package, and that is the rear spoiler, which you can see there. You can also see there's a nice set of roof bars which are on the van as well. And then down below, we can see a lovely set of 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels. These are fully load rated with the correct 103 rated load rated tyres, of course. I think they're a really nice design, set the van off really, really well. I think combined, especially with that nice aggressive front splitter, I think they work really, really well. This particular van has got proper Ford side steps on it, which I think is a nice touch, especially on a double cab, because of course you're going to be, you know, this is where passengers are going to be getting in and out of the back, and just having that extra step there I think is a nice little touch. But that's a genuine Ford product there, so really nice quality to that. As we open up that passenger door then, the passenger side loading door, we can have a look then in the back of this double cab van. So a double cab is a bit different from just a normal van. You get the proper door cards in the back, you get the proper headlining, and of course, as you can see from the back, the bulkhead just there as well, which gives you that separation, makes it feel a lot more car-like in the back of here, really quietens things down. You get full carpet in the back, carpet overmats in the back as well, which, as I say, just make it feel that much more luxurious in here. You've got ISOFIX compatibility on the 2 outer seats. And as I always mention in these videos, having a look at even details here underneath the seats, the step. There is no stone left unturned for us when it comes to preparing these vans. Absolutely prepared to the highest of standards, but lovely condition here in the back. If we open up the passenger front door, then we can start to have a look inside here as well. Again, having a look at the passenger door card, the step. There is a little mark just there on the sort of the there's like a bit of wear tape that they put on here. And there is a little mark just in this very center of that. But having a look at the step into the front then, all looking really, really nice and clean and tidy. I really like the setup in this van. So this one is set up as a 5-seater. So this would actually be an optional extra, and that's to have a single passenger seat. Very desirable option. We don't see this very often on Transit custom double cabs. I wish more of them came like this, to be honest with you, because they do sell a lot better, but as I say, this is a really nice desirable option. So having the single passenger seat, you've got all of the adjustment here on the passenger seat that you get on the driver's seat. You've got height adjustment, this is adjustment at the front of the seat, what is called thigh adjustment. You've got your backrest, you've also got, of course, the armrest just there as well, and you've also got lumbar support down here. So your armrest, you can set that to your desired height. That's on a ratchet, so really nice setup. And of course, what people like with these, if you've got a family, you've sort of got a bit of access through there as well. So you've got kids in the back, you can sort of reach back and hand them something if you need to. But yeah, looking at the condition here of the dashboard's all looking in really good condition there as well. So I mentioned service history, so we do have evidence of a previous service that was carried out on this van. That was around 18,000 miles. That was in 2024, before it was 2 years old and before the 25,000 mile interval. So it's nice to see that they've been keeping on top of it, and so they've actually decided to have it serviced slightly before it was due, which personally I always like to see if possible. During our preparation then, we have put it right through our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care. They have conducted a further full service and an MOT and a health check on this vehicle. So full multi-point health check, of course, just going through absolutely everything on the van, just making sure everything works, everything is as it should be. Of course, an MOT is its own independent inspection of itself, even testing things like the emissions, etc. And then, as I say, a full service with our guys there, and a full service with us is all of the filters. It's not just an oil filter and a pollen filter maybe, which some people will call a full service. With us, it is all the filters. So it's the oil filter, the pollen filter, the air filter, and the fuel filter. That is all done with the oil change as well. So it's really a thorough going over. So that means the van is absolutely prepared and ready to drive away from here immediately if you wanted to. Having a look at the condition here at the front then, we can see the condition of the bonnet is looking very nice. You're going to get the odd tiny little stone chip here or there, which is, of course, inevitable really on any used vehicle. And this one is actually looking very, very nice. There's only a couple of tiny little chips which I can see here or there, but overall, I would say exceptional condition actually here at the front of the van. A couple of big changes here then, as part of our signature styling package then. So that is the Ford Trail front grille, really high quality item that, and just totally transforms the look of the front of the van. And then at the bottom then you've got that fantastic front splitter there as well, which gives you the gloss black lower splitter, the gloss black grille there above that, and also the gloss black fins as well. And all in all, I think that is a fantastic looking van in the magnetic grey, full styling package. I think it looks really, really smart indeed. Of course, as I mentioned, you get the front parking sensors, front fog lights, and you've also got that lovely daytime running light there around the outside as well. Having a look then finally here down the driver's side of the vehicle, and just looking in those reflections there, it all looks absolutely clean and straight and original. There is a little touch in just there which has been done, I can see, but other than that, I don't think there's much to fault there. It's looking really, really nice indeed. Really good example, this one. Opening up the driver's side loading door then. Just see how clean and tidy that is. Again, just a tiny little touch in just there the guys have done. And then finally here then, opening up the driver's door, have a look inside. So step, floor, driver's seat, little to no wear at all there on the edge of the driver's seat, which is always nice to see. Driver's door card is looking good. We've got electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors. You've got auto-activated lights, auto-activated wipers. 2 full flip remote keys come with the vehicle. You've also got things like your cruise control on the steering wheel here, your onboard computer controls. 27,447 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly there as it should be, which is always nice, and also a nice just under half a tank of fuel as well, which is always a nice little bonus. Automatic gearbox. I was going to say auto-activated lights, and I've already said that. Automatic gearbox, really nice addition in this van, I think, especially, as I say, with the setup here, with the 5-seater, just makes it feel that much more of a luxurious driving experience, I think, with the automatic. Into the centre then, you've got heated wing mirrors, like I mentioned, air conditioning, heated seats, and also then heated windscreen there as well as the wing mirrors. So you've got a USB and a 12-volt socket there, which gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this Sync 3 screen in the centre. You can also see you've got DAB radio on here. You can also connect your phone to this via Bluetooth. And then finally inside, we've got that rear view mirror camera, which gives you that really crisp, clear image out of the back of the van while you're driving. You can turn that off if you want to, and just turn it back to a normal mirror if you want to, using the little, what would be the anti-glare toggle underneath. And you have got some settings on here as well. So you can toggle the brightness if you want to, and you can also toggle the height of that camera a little bit as well. So it's nice to see a couple of little features there, but when you get used to using that, it is a really nice feature to have day-to-day driving in the van. So just to summarize then, November 2022 on a 72 plate, long wheelbase, limited double cab, automatic in magnetic grey, fantastic signature styling package on this one, beautiful condition throughout, it must be said, certainly for a van which is 3 years old and 20-odd thousand miles now. Previous service history and also a thorough going over in our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care, and they've, as I say, done a further full service MOT health check, so the van is absolutely ready to drive away and be enjoyed. Lovely spec on this one as well, with that single passenger seat, which is quite unusual, and of course, as I mentioned, it being automatic. New ply lining in the back as well. A really, really appealing proposition, I feel. The van is supplied with 12 months AA warranty, completely as standard with the vehicle, and you have got options to upgrade that as well to 2 or 3 years if you wanted to. So to go to 2 years, it's 399 plus VAT, and to go to 3 years, it's 599 plus VAT. But you can keep it at 1 year, absolutely free of charge if you want to. We can offer delivery on the vehicle nationwide, as we do with all of our vehicles. We can also arrange finance at very competitive rates, whether that be for limited companies or for private individuals, and we can also take cars or vans in part exchange as well. So by all means, get in contact if you have any queries about the vehicle, if you'd like some finance figures, cost on delivery, or maybe some part exchange details. We can arrange all of that for you. If you head over to our website, which is listed there, bridgendvans.co.uk, that's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this vehicle, along with all of the others that we've currently got advertised at the moment. Thank you very much for watching.